What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Lightsource Engraving, or if it's your first time here, thank you so much for stopping in. Returning viewers, I greatly appreciate you clicking in here. You are my favorite viewer watching this channel right now, so thank you very much. Now, I have a short one for you today. Tile stand that I've been working on that holds tiles and coasters, your standard size, 100 millimeter wide. And the tile stand is approximately 80 millimeters wide. And let's take a look at it. And then I'll show you how you can get it for free by inputting the coupon code on my website. So here we have the model of the tile stand. It is 80 millimeters wide. I've made sure all the corners are rounded so we have no sharp edges. And it just sits there all nice and happy. Hold your tile or your coaster on display at a pleasant viewing angle so that you can show off your work. And it's not obtrusive, so you don't really pay attention to the tile stand. You really focus on the tiles that it is holding. And that is available on my website. I'm selling the actual printed stands, $15 for 4 of them. And you can see right here, all you have to do is click on that link. And here is the 3D print files for $4.99. So you can use the coupon code and get it for free, or you can bypass the coupon code and consider it a donation to the channel and you get something for your donation. So either way, all I ask is that you please like, subscribe, and hit that bell. And then share this content with your friends if you think they may find it helpful. And that's it. And I also have some other stuff up on the website if you want to browse through this stuff. But anyway, let's take a look. I have some set up back here. Let me grab one. And here is the actual stand printed. So exactly like it looks in the pictures in the video. Now let's get a close-up view. So you can see we have all of these tile stands here. Let's get rid of those. All right, here's a tile stand that is holding tile. This is the red, white, and blue version. And just like that is how the tile sits. Decent angles, it's stable, it's not going to fall over. Nice and light. And that's all it is. And now let's go to slate. And here we have our slate coaster. As you can see, it is setting at a nice angle. It even holds it with the foam pads on the bottom. So you can remove those or leave them on. Typically, if the coaster is real thick, you might have to remove the foam pads, but so far I haven't had any issues with different thicknesses. As you see, this is a thick one, and this one is actually even thicker. And again, it holds it no problem. Even if it's off-centered, it's still not going anywhere. So again, you can order them printed right from my website for the low cost of $14.99 for a set of 4, or you can print them off yourself. And that is all I have for this quick video for you today. Now the code to download is, but first, like and subscribe and hit the bell. And then go to my website, input the code STAND, S-T-A-N-D, and then you'll be able to get this for free. And for those of you that wish to purchase those, I have a special deal for you as well. Input the code STAND, the same code for the files, and you're going to get $4.99 off, making those an even $10 for 4 stands. So if you want to purchase them, get them with that coupon code and save yourself $5 as a thank you for being a viewer of this channel. Thank you so much. And that is all I have for today. I greatly appreciate my patrons and my channel members for helping support this channel. It means the world to me. I deeply appreciate it. And if you want to be a patron, click the link in the description. And most importantly, everyone, have a great day, and I will see you in the next one.